Attorney Paulo Rabanal, Senior Vice President of Corporate Finance and Strategy Division of Coco Life. Let's give them a warm round of applause, please.
Good evening everyone. Magandang gabi po. So it's my great pleasure to welcome all of you to the Alagang Coco Life Health and Wellness Forum. So tonight's gathering is a meaningful step in our renewed commitment to care, an expression of what Alagang Coco Life truly stands for, genuine protection and our unwavering support for every Filipino's health journey. So I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the Marketing and Research Department for spearheading this event, and of course also to our partners, clients, policyholders, employees, and agents who continue to trust Coco Life. This forum is not only an opportunity for us to learn the foundations of a healthier lifestyle, from our esteemed speakers, Coach Dax Timbol, Coach Shane Castillo, and Coach Chance Vega. It is also a chance for us to discover our new offerings. It was mentioned earlier, Coco Life Agapay and Coco Life Kalinga. Also, it's worth mentioning the exciting activities of our upcoming Coco Life Run Club. So I'm proud to share that Coco Life will continue to create spaces like this, platforms that will not only promote physical health but also holistic financial wellness, so that together we can help more Filipinos achieve the security and peace of mind that they deserve. So I encourage everyone to listen attentively, ask questions, and to take the lessons to heart. May this evening inspire us to live healthier and more meaningful lives, while knowing that Coco Life will always be your trusted partner in care and protection. So again, thank you everyone, and let us enjoy the forum together.